this is Stella from DSPPA. Today, I will introduce to you the PAVA8000 voice alarm system. Before we find out more about this system, our quiz question for today. If you are working in an office building, then you hear the sound like what is your feeling and actions? You might get confused or scared and do not know what to do next. In another situation, if you hear this sound,
May I have your attention, please? A fire alarm has been reported in the building. Please proceed to the nearest available exit and evacuate the building.
then you will know that there is one fire and you need to escape the building immediately. PAVA8000 system is an integrated PA system with voice alarm function, paging and background music functions. It can meet the relevant standards of EN54 and Part 16 voice alarm control and indicating equipment. Dental protocol, not delay transmission. The main products of the system include EN54 voice alarm system center, fireman microphone, zone extender, EN54 speaker, EN54 voice alarm system amplifier, 8 zones outputs, can be extended to 160 zones, built-in 500 watts digital amplifier. Six auxiliary inputs, DC 24 volts power supply, emergency microphone, The amplifier consists of 8 zones, enabling daily business or background music broadcasts across all zones or selected zones. However, it's crucial to note that fire emergency broadcasts take precedence as the top priority. For example, Tower 1 has background music playing. We can page Tower 2 without interrupting the music. Tower 1 also has emergency and fireman microphones for urgent announcements. Both towers play background music. If a fire occurs, music stops and voice messages play. Audio monitor, real-time light detection, like just now, the EN54 speaker gets disconnected. An alarm triggers, same for the emergency and fireman microphones. Additionally, any issues with the extension amplifier will also prompt an alarm. System extender amplifier, built-in 500 watts amplifier, 8 zones extendable, and can be up to 160 zones. And also, when the extend amplifier has problem, it will also give out alarm. Fireman microphone. In case of emergency, convenient for quick remote alarm paging. A-Zone's remote paging station. It adopts PoE power and can work up to 600 meters, and can be expanded up to 8 zones. A total of 16 areas can be controlled. System software. Timing function. In an unattended state, the selected area can help schedule music or chime. EN54 fireproof speaker. System connected example. Positioned as an emergency broadcasting system. This system has been mainly used in shopping malls, office buildings, exhibition halls, etc. Typical cases. When considering a project involving fire emergency protocols, daily business broadcasts, and background music distribution, DSPPA voice alarm systems stand out as the optimal solution. Safety amplifier DSPPA voice alarm system.